heard a number of people mention today, oh, it feels like late July out there. It seems like this is not a one and done, though.
No, in fact, I think next week is warmer than today was. But I mean, we're cruising, and this like September, you know, I'm obsessed, but it goes into October too. But this, even for September, this has been warm.
It's been interesting.
Warm and dry, and really, what's struck me about it too is we really haven't had many chances of showers. Even current temperatures into the 70s. We did get to some low 80s today in Sanford, Portsmouth, and Freiburg. But of course, the sun setting earlier, and actually, no, it's too early. I was just thinking about it should be a good sunset tonight because we have some wildfire smoke that's drifted across the state. So if you notice a haziness in the sky today, milkiness in the sky, that's what it's from. But often it gives us a really vivid sunset. So keep an eye on that. Sunset's a little before 7 o'clock. You can see some actual cloud cover in there too, tending to diminish over the last few hours. So tonight, temperatures are down to the 50s. It's warmer than the last few nights. Most of us stay in the 50s, along the coast, upper 50s through most of the evening. And then tomorrow we're going to bring our cold front through, but this front doesn't have all that much moisture to work with. In fact, good luck finding it here Friday at 11 a.m. Where is it, right? Just about here. Few extra clouds with it, a couple of pop-up showers here later in the afternoon, but there's not a lot of action here. So I think many of us will be able to stay dry, but this is only a shower chance really around for the next 7 days. Temperatures upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And if you don't catch one of those showers, obviously you'll be a bit warmer. Overnight, temperatures drop down into the 60s and eventually briefly 50s, but most of us are pretty mild overnight. And then Saturday is a mixture of sun and clouds. Small scale models want to pop maybe just a ridgeline shower in northern Oxford County, but the rest of the state is dry. I didn't bother putting it in the 7-day because I think the vast majority of us will stay dry into Sunday. Again, another nice day, temperatures in the mid and upper 70s and a lot of sunshine. High pressure building down behind that dissipating cold front that comes through tomorrow. We could probably use this map all next week. Maybe we will. I don't know. There's a big ridge of high pressure right over us, and all the rain stays to our south. What happens, though, during this time period is that temperatures start to gradually build and increase. And so by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably into Thursday, we've got a really solid chance to be in the mid-80s. And it's not just inland. The southern coast and the mid-coast could also get into the mid-80s. That's a big number for this time of the year when the average high is into the low 70s. New drought monitor came out today. Still no official drought, really. Just a tiny spot of abnormally dry into southern New York County. Remember, we had quite a bit of rain during the summer, so that helps us. Light drought is, I think, what we're going to end up with over the next week or two. There are some wild computer model solutions here, guys. Next Thursday, there's a storm to our south, and that high is trying to hold on against the rain. If it wins that battle, the models then give us another 7 days without rain. Wow. So if that high wins the battle, we'll be going into next weekend and beyond without rain. So that will be something.
Yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
That would last that long.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.